Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you all for giving me 200 plus subscribers within a short period. I really appreciate you, and I say a big thank you to everybody who subscribed to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Immaculate and welcome to my community. On today's video, I'm going to talk about how I combine my son's outfits and also where I buy them. So if you like this video at the end, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. So let's just get started. And the first outfit comprises of this normal long sleeve t-shirt or shirt and these material trousers. These ones I got from Primark. This one I got from Zara. Oh, I love shopping by Zara Kids. This one I got them from Zara. That was a long time ago when he was still young. I'm so glad that he's still using them. Then the shoes, these are very comfortable. These sneakers over here, he loves them so much and he uses them mostly to go to kindergarten. These shoes I got from Aldi. Those who stay in Europe will understand what I'm talking about. They're very beautiful. I got these shoes from Aldi. They were very cheap. I think they were about €7. And then I got a leather jacket. This is really old right now. I need to buy a new one. This one I bought when he was still young. But this leather jacket I think I bought them too from Zara. Yeah, I can't really remember. Let's just see how these outfits look on him.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
The second outfit comprises of some kids sandals. These ones I got from Zara. I really love them because they're very comfortable. And then I got just a plain white t-shirt with long arm. Then I got a Denim Danger for kids. This one I also got from Zara. Then I have this half jacket which I love so much. My kid is almost outgrowing it, but I really love it so much because it just changes every look. I love half jackets because they just change an outfit look very fast. So when you got something, however much it looks boring, when you just put a half jacket on top, you just have a very different look. That's why I really love it so much. This one I also got from Zara, but that was some years back when he was still young. And then I got this beautiful small bag. Also got it from Zara. I really love it because it's just beautiful and colorful, and it has like pages where the kid can just open, and on these pages there are different kinds of illustration, let me say that. And my kid is using this right now to go to the kindergarten. That's why I got it, and he really loves it so much. He just carries it everywhere. I love it. Yeah, let's just see how these outfits look on him.
Trust, yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.
Outfit comprises of these beautiful sneakers I got from Zara. I love them so much. They're so comfortable inside and they're very light for the kids. So I love them, as in they're really beautiful. I have a denim trouser. Then I got a denim short sleeve top In most cases when it's warm, I just wore him trousers, a sleeveless top and shoes. Then I just carry something like this with me just in case it becomes cold, yeah, or a little bit chilly. So this is the third outfit. As you can see, this is my third outfit, plus then the short sleeve top over there.